This week's video is going to be a little bit different, guys, so thanks for stopping by and joining us again. This week, it's just Taylor and I home while the wife, mom, is in Denver. So we're going to play around, have some fun.
I'm ready to party!
We're going to mess with the dog. We are going to put the GoPro, hopefully, on the dog a little bit later. Who knows what that's going to look like, but we are excited to try that. We're going to do a review of some pizzas from Costco, frozen pizzas on the Traeger, which, man, it's our favorite meal. Like when mom's gone, that's what we do. She likes it too, but it's like Taylor and I sing. So we're looking forward to that. So thanks for stopping by again this week, and we won't see you guys on the road. We'll see you at home this week. Okay, Taylor, mom is gone, and now it is time for you and I to talk about this delicious frozen pizza from Costco. What do you have to say about it?
For a frozen pizza, it's really good.
I think that's an understatement. But what we've learned, so the trick with this frozen pizza from Costco, we do it on the Traeger. So we're going to do, I think this comes with 6 cheese, 6 pepperoni. So we each do a couple. And then what we like to do, throw a little barbecue sauce on top. That makes it just, the better.
Spice.
It just makes it better. We love it with that. So we're going to do that. We're going to throw 2 on each. You doing cheese?
Yep.
I'll do pepperoni. Throw some barbecue sauce on top. But again, go to Costco. This stuff is great. Highly recommend this at Costco. I mean, this is one of our favorite meals when mom's gone.
Yep.
So let's cook it up. We're going to fire up the grill and go do some cooking.
Woohoo!
Okay. Coming along nicely. This pizza is brought to you by Sweet Baby Ray's.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but damn good barbecue sauce. So, pizzas are done. Pepperoni. Cheese. Now, our trick, Sweet Baby Ray's, it's kind of a go-to barbecue sauce for us. I'm more of a drizzle guy.
I like to dip it.
Definitely, that's not really a very...
That's not a drizzle.
What is that then? What would you call that?
An attempt drizzle.
I think, watch me spill this. That's kind of a drizzle. Anyway, so right off the Traeger. How long did it take to cook? How long?
Like 10 minutes, maybe less.
10 minutes. We had it at high heat, so bless you, dog. I have dog on my leg now. So not very long to cook on the Traeger. 10 minutes tops. But you get that nice hot bottom, crispy bottom, smoky flavor a little bit, and then for frozen pizza, let's give it now I'm gonna be the first one to burn my face.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let you do it first. Is it good this time?
Oh, this time.
Well, like, is it good? Like this round, I guess.
Very good. Highly recommend. Whatever brand that was. Sabres? No.
No.
Sabatoos?
That's fine.
Anyway, go back and look at the review is in. Hot. You're even blowing your mouth. Hopefully that helped. Anyway, Traeger pizzas. Not Traeger pizzas. Pizzas on the Traeger from that Costco brand. And strawberries. A healthy alternative. Anyway, great meal. Great evening.
Go team.
Here's the attempted Piper cam. Let's see how this works. Okay, we're gonna leave it on the whole time, Piper.
Do it like here on the back.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, this is gonna be really challenging. Oh, hold on. It's just off the ground. Okay. this week. Mom's home, got back from Denver, hopping in the car.
What?
Nothing, just letting you know you're home. And we're headed out today. We're gonna go check out a brewery. So we actually...
What? Sorry, I was like...
We actually have a nice little Saturday today.
Oh my God. Gonna go to Home Depot.
That's right. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna, hopefully, I'm gonna show you guys later.
Bed Bath Beyond? Don't know if there's enough time.
Actually, pretty nice little Saturday. We're gonna go to Home Depot. Yeah, buy some wallpaper, maybe get some flooring, stuff like that. Maybe Bed Bath and Beyond. I don't know. I don't know if we'll have enough time.
But we're gonna exchange some blue rock maybe for the fire pit. Gotta get some Dodger blue in there,
Yeah,
if they have it. Very important stuff.
Really
so
important
we'll do
stuff.
that later. Barbecue tonight. Not hot dogs. Brats maybe.
Brats. And...
Hamburgers. That's it. So let's go check out Ghost Runners Brewing. We've never been there before, so
It might suck. We
yeah, it
don't
could
know.
suck, but we're gonna go anyway. So
We're gonna see.
Christine throwing some directions, and let's go have a beer.
All right. That took a while.
That did take a while, but it was very entertaining.
It was entertaining.
All right, so here we are. We are at. Oh my God.
I got this.
Ghost. No, I got it. Ghost Runners Brewing. We've never been here before.
Nope. It's the
So,
first time.
we're gonna
and
try
it's,
it, so-
It's in like our backyard. It's amazing how many places we have not been to.
I know. There's a lot here.
There's
this
a
is
lot.
awesome. So.
Anyway.
So we're gonna try it. So we got a flight. We got
a flight of 4.
So let's take a look at our little beer flight
Yeah.
here. Ooh, very well
So
done.
they're
Vanna.
numbered underneath. So, oh, you know what? I forgot to get. Well, okay. So the 5K is number 1.
One.
Here's,
Oh.
sorry. Here's 1. It's it's an IPA, and then we got a hazy. Number
Hazy.
2, and then we have Running with Scissors, which is a Imperial
Imperial
IPA.
IPA. So that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that one.
And then the pre-hop.
high octane
High
Imperial.
hop.
It's
Yeah.
It's an Imperial IPA. Anyway.
So they do trivia nights here. They have they do a punch card.
yep.
One flight gets you 1 punch, and then 1 beer, of course, will
Yeah.
1 punch. On Tuesday nights is double punch night. So there's a little information for you,
So they have a little outside area out here too.
and you
it's kind of
can
covered.
you can reserve.
And that's right. You can reserve
You can
the
go
outside.
online
It's
and
really
reserve
cool.
tables. Believe it
Yeah,
or
that's
not.
really cool. So the place is kind of cool. It's kind of small, but they're building on.
It's actually that's all new over there.
Taylor really likes it. I mean,
She's thrilled to be here.
Taylor, how would you rate this place?
She's
Teenager approved.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go somewhere else.
Maybe a date night.
So we'll go to another place probably after this. We don't know where, but we're gonna go somewhere else.
Yes.
But anyway, let's try some beers. Talk about them a little bit. We have a hummus plate coming. We'll
Yep.
try that.
Yep, just a snack
But
plate.
this is just maybe stop one of a couple today. So we'll report back on what we think of these
Wonderful beer.
lovely 4 beers. So let's talk about
They
them.
look good.
Let's consume alcohol.
A few moments later.
So far, so good on the beers. So we're doing a little bit of damage.
Are you filming now?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay.
I'm recording a video.
No, you're
I'm
you're,
making
you're,
a
you're
videoing. I'm videotaping.
You're videotaping.
I'm making a videotape on my camcorder. This is a videotape. Anyway, I'm gonna
Stop
shut
it.
up. So made a
Okay.
little
Why
bit
don't
of
we
a dent.
start? Well, so sorry, texting my brother. Let's. Do you want to wait till we're done and then follow up?
I don't know.
Okay. So I have a little more information. If you're interested, you can like skip if you aren't. But a little
Fast
more
forward to
information.
the next brewery we're at.
So the 5K IPA is 95 IBU.
It's a little hoppy, but
So
it's
it's
good.
hoppy. 6.4%
It's got
alcohol,
good color though.
which isn't bad. Anyway, it's good. It's definitely hoppy. If you like that, you're gonna love the 5K.
And then when they go the hazy and
The
love.
hazy. So the hazy in love is 54 IBU, 6.2%. So that's pretty normal for
Pretty normal for,
New England.
yeah, but it's good
IPA.
though.
It is good. It is good. I'd say it's a little grapefruit. I get really hints of grapefruit.
But it doesn't say what it is.
It doesn't say. It doesn't.
I think the description's still
it
coming.
says it's coming soon, so I think it's new.
Yep.
But I mean, you could tell by the
Yeah, look at the color on this.
the color. You could tell it's definitely like there's definite grapefruit hints in there.
Yeah, it's really good. It might say up on the wall.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, okay. Then number 3 was this Running with Scissors, which I think is my favorite. It's a New England style IPA. It's 20.
And it's got mosaic hops, which I love. Mosaic and Citra hops, which are two of my favorites.
Yeah, we have it on our phone. It says on the website,
Yeah.
FYI. So 6.2%, 23 IBU. So it's super, it's like really crisp, it's clean.
What's your favorite description I've noticed is crisp and clean.
Because that's how best to describe it.
That's kind of how you describe me, as crisp and clean.
No,
that's
I
true.
don't.
Never mind.
I'm not going to say on camera how I describe you. Love you. Anyway, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Running with Scissors.
I love the pre-hop.
So that brings us to the pre-hop, his favorite,
Pre-hop
which is
Jane.
another. It's an Imperial IPA, like we said before, 8.7,
It's boozy, but it's good.
and 58 IBU.
Yeah, so it's not super hoppy, but it's boozy.
And this one is also with dry hop mosaic. If that means anything to you, we know we have
Anyway.
we have followers out there that actually care about that stuff, so we wanted to pass that along. Okay, done with the beer talk.
Anyway, Ghost Runners is pretty cool if you guys get a chance to come out. It's
And they have a pool
expanding.
table too.
It's expanding. They're growing. Limited food menu right now,
Yeah.
of course, like everything else. But
But they're at all the
kid-friendly, dog-friendly, which is
yes,
very important.
Yes.
So
And they're at all the brew fests and things
yeah,
like that.
so it's a
They're-
good local brewer here in Vancouver. We really enjoy it. Definitely come check out Ghost Runners Brewing in Vancouver if you guys get a chance. So
Yeah, it's great. So
I
far,
would-
so good.
yeah, I enjoy it.
Yeah, me too.
I would
would
come
come
back.
back.
Yep. So good spot.
Yep. Okay, so we just got here to downtown Camas, and I just have to call out my husband's park job. He parallel parked us in one step. Look. Anyway, just had to call that out.
The greatest parallel park of all time.
We are at Grains of Wrath in Camas, Washington.
Perfect, right there. All right, so we're at Grains of Wrath in Camas, Washington. And Taylor's already, wow, I just got yelled at. So Grains of Wrath, Camas, Washington. Taylor established this earlier, which she is not happy about that is being repeated. So, anyway, so we've ordered a couple beers. The cool thing about this restaurant is, again, it's dog-friendly, kid-friendly for a brewery, which is awesome. Neat outside area. We'll show you that when we leave here, walk by. But we've ordered, the neat thing about this during the pandemic is we actually ordered on the app here at the restaurant. So that's cool. You don't have to go into the bar. You just...
They have these a lot everywhere. Tab.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it. Tabbed out.
So which is kind of fancy. It's kind of nice. Makes it easy. You don't have to get up. You don't have to do anything. Ordered some food. Looking forward to that. But Grains of Wrath is a nice place. We've been here several times. And we'll walk around here downtown Camas. There's a art festival going around.
Ends at 3.
Ends at 3.
Ends at 3, but there'll be a lot of vendors and stuff out walking around. So we'll go walk the streets of Camas.
It's a vintage art fair.
So anyway, downtown Camas, Washington, cool spot. If you guys get a chance, come check this place out. Nice covered tent. They got fire pits out here. And we are both drinking the Papermaker Ale, which is a really lovely beer.
Wow.
Anyway, there's a gong here apparently. So,
AKA the gate.
The gate gong. This is a lovely ale that we both really enjoy. We've had it before, but
And should we talk about the food?
well, yeah, there's a full menu here. So again, we'll
I
add
already did a view of all the menu.
Oh, well, okay.
we'll add a link in the description to check this place
There's
out.
nothing I do good enough for you guys.
No, I'll definitely include some of it. Wow. She's 8.
And scene.
Taylor, what did you order? No, I mean, like, what did you order?
The pretzel and the chicken strips off the kids menu.
She's big on the kids menu. And you think, oh, she eats light. No, she orders
So
like.
when we
she
make the
orders, like,
comment,
multiple.
oh, you're 12, it really refers to the food that you order. All right, the food's showing up. Beer brat, kids, chicken strips, giant pretzel, and an Italian sandwich with chips. Food's good here. We've had it before, but the pretzel looks amazing. Taylor's like a connoisseur of pretzels at breweries now, so
It's good.
there it is. Good pretzel at Grains of Wrath, downtown Camas. So let's catch the end of this. It's over, but we're gonna walk through and see since I didn't catch it earlier. Let's catch
Is it
it.
recording this time?
You're recording this time.
No, I'm not.